The Holl GmbH was founded here in Leipzig 1948 by my grandfather, Mr. Roland Holl. 1997 we bought our first laser machine. It was exciting and the machine was so fast that naturally we also manufacture vendor parts for other companies. Since 2019, we've been thinking about introducing different programming software. In the meantime, we also had another brand here, beside Trumpf machines, also Bystronic. We looked at many different software systems. And finally, we decided for the WiCAM system in 2020. WiCAM is a manufacturer of independent software. If I decide tomorrow to put a completely different machine here, I can of course do this easily. We've been working with the ERP system BEOSYS for several years. All orders and articles are created in BEOSYS, and a geo file exists for each article. This file is released when the order is placed and ends up in WiCAM. It's connected to WiCAM via interface. WiCAM recognizes immediately existing programs for this order in the appropriate number of pieces. I can select the program and simply give it to the machine by the post-processor run. If the number of pieces has increased or decreased, WiCAM marks it and I can manually adjust the number of pieces with the click of a mouse. The program is created for Trumpf, and immediately I can also pass it on to the Bystronic. Exactly the same job. As a family business, we naturally do not schedule in months, but in years, and always think about the future. With WiCAM, we do have the flexibility to produce with the machines we just like, or that the market offers well to us tomorrow.